Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. And as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But these vans right here, these are affordable luxury family vehicles. And when I mean that, there's a lot, you get a lot of car for the money. And that is the truth with these. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows, has the backup camera, and again, just getting these angles. This is in stellar condition. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. It has a roof rack. Hopefully that helps. A ton of power options. We'll get to those here in just a moment. Just want to get all this in here for you. Fog lights. I don't know what we got. Let's get some features up front before we get the back there. This is that rolled leather. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Let's get the condition of the seats here. See, they are captain's chairs. There are no rips, tears, or stains. Again, a lot of car for the money. It's for sure DVD player up there, but these are stow and go seats. They fold flat into the floor down there, but let's get the seats. These are captain's chairs as well. Let's turn one of those up. Sorry about that. I just wanted to get that in there for you. As you can see, it has an aux, USB, regular plug-in. So if you're looking to put in a DVD player or even to put in the PlayStation 4, have fun back here. It has the accented lighting up there, storage, rear air, a lot of features. Let's get these ones up here up front. Steering wheel controls. There's a mileage there. Stock stereo, backup camera. All of that there. And then as you can see, you can put it in eco. Saves money on gas and a ton of stow and go. Lots of it. So let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. If I can find the latch here, guys, I apologize. There we go. Well, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. There isn't a whole lot to see on this one here, the engine cover. But all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. Hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. But as you can see, no check engine lights. Just turn that guy on. Backup camera there. Alright, let's turn on some lights and close these guys here. Let's close that guy there. Drop the hood all the way. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything we may have missed or you'd like us to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever the case may be, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.